Hey guys, Matt from Motors. So this just arrived as my new project car. It's an Audi A6. There is some damage on it. Some damage there on the back bumper. There's also damage down here low on the doors. But it's not actually a salvage car or anything like that. It has a clear history and a clear title. I'm going to be doing all the repairs on it myself. I'm going to be fitting an S-line kit on it, which includes the back bumper, the side skirts and the front bumper, to kind of make it look like the black edition Audi A6. There's a bit of damage here. It's a bit of paint transfer. It should come off very easy. I got it in an auction. I got a really good deal on it. I'll reveal in the next video how much I actually paid for it. But I don't know whether I'm going to hold on to this car or I'm going to sell it on. But I'm going to do all the modifications on it. Probably lower the suspension as well. I'll show you inside. It's got 124,000 miles. This is the actual model spec for all you guys that are into Audis out there. A6 limo TDI 2 litre, 130 kilowatts. I think it's 177 brake horsepower. One of the rear taillights is actually broken in it, so I'm going to try and get the LED lights that you can get for these, which are on the S-line kit. So in the next video I'm going to be looking out for an S-line kit, side skirts, back bumper and front bumper, and over the next few videos I'm going to be repairing it and hopefully making it into a really nice A6. I hope you guys will join me. Thanks for watching, guys.